Now for the question number 4, we have to identify the relation between the slope of a two lines. Suppose we have given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is a homogeneous equation. Okay, from this equation we can identify the slope of both the line. That is sum of the slope, that is m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b, and m1 into m2 which is equal to a upon b. Okay, where m1 and m2 are the slope of a two given line. Okay, that means the slope of a given line whose combined equation is this one. So m1 plus m2 is minus 2h upon b, and m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. By using this relation you can identify the slope of both the line. Okay, this is the result. Okay, this result we have to use. Now question number 4, first one. In the question number 4 is given, find the values of the k, the sum of the slope of a line represented by, sum of the slope is twice their product. That means we have given a relation. That means first we have to consider the equation x square plus kxy minus 3y square which is equal to 0. Okay, this equation is given. We have to find the values of k. Okay, now from given condition, in the condition it is given the sum of the slope, that means m1 plus m2 is, that is equal to twice, that means 2 times of m1 into m2. This is the condition is given. Okay, now we'll use this condition to identify the values of k. Now consider x square plus kxy minus 3y square which is equal to 0. Now you can compare this equation with the standard equation, that is comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square which is equal to 0. So therefore you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, 2h is equal to k. Okay, which implies h is equal to k by 2. Okay, therefore we know that the sum of the slope, that means by using the formula what I have given above, that is m1 plus m2 is minus 2h, that is minus 2h upon b, which will become minus k upon minus 1 which is equal to k. So therefore name this as equation 1. We will use this equation. So m1 plus m2 is equal to k. Now the product of the slope m1 plus m2 is k. Now m1 m2 is equal to a upon b which is equal to 1 upon minus 1, so which is equal to minus 1. Now from equation 1, m1 plus m2 is k which is equal to 2 times of minus 1, so k is equal to minus 2. Okay, that we have to identify the values of k is minus 2. This is the way how to you can identify the values of k. For the next question, that is for the question number 4, second question, we need one result, that is m1 minus m2 square which is equal to m1 plus m2 square minus 4 m1 m2. Okay, this result we are using maximum time. That means suppose we have a minus, we have to identify a minus b car square, so we can relate a plus b car square minus 4ab. Okay, this way I have converted in terms of slope of the line. This we will use to simplify the second question. Okay, now second question we have, in the second question again we have to identify the values of k. Okay, and the slopes are differ by, that is equation is given 3x square plus kxy minus y square, okay, which is equal to 0, and m1 minus m2 is equal to 4. The difference is given as 4. Name this is equation 1. Okay, this is already given. Okay, now consider the given equation, that is 3x square plus kxy minus y square, which is equal to 0. So you will write again comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay, now so a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1, and 2h is equal to k. So m1 plus m2 is minus 2h upon b, which is equal to minus k upon minus 1, which is equal to k. m1 into m2, which is equal to b upon a, which is equal to minus 1 upon 3, which will become minus 1 by 3. Okay, let me confirm again. Sorry, minus a upon b. This is a upon b, so this is 3 upon 1, so this will become minus 3. Okay, a upon b. Okay, so therefore this is a upon b. m1 m2 is equal to minus 3. Okay, now we'll use the condition what I have stated here. So difference of the slope, that is m1 minus m2 square, which is equal to m1 plus m2 square minus 4 m1 m2. So m1 minus m2 are already given, that is 4 square, which is equal to k square minus 4 into minus 3, so this is 16 is equal to k square plus 12. We take 12 on that side, so 16 minus 12, which is equal to k square. K square is equal to 4, so k is equal to plus minus 2. So values of k is plus minus 2 here. Okay, similarly you can solve the question number 3, okay, where the one of the slope is differ by 8. Okay, thank you. Go through the video, you'll come to know how to solve this sum.